Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31. This is the model number 178271. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so jumping right into the dial configuration I currently have in my hand here is the pink dial with Roman numerals for the hour markers. The pink being a very beautiful sunburst, as you can see as I tilt it towards the light, the kind of beams in different portions of the dial, and that's how it will work outside in the sunlight as well. So very beautiful style dial. If you're not particularly interested in the pink dial and the Roman numerals, luckily this is a Datejust watch, and Datejust is a dress watch, so it has numerous different configurations. So if you like the Roman numerals, you can also get it in the white, purple, brown, and black. The purple and brown being two very unique colors specific to the Roman numerals. For the index hour markers, which are luminous hour markers that are just little stick markers, unfortunately not too much options there. You can get it in either the pink dial, which I have in my hand here, or the silver dial. If you're feeling like you want to go a little more luxurious, something to match that beautiful Rose Gold, which is the second color tone that we see with the watch from the bezel to the bracelet, the Rose Gold is a rose gold that has an additional mixture of platinum into it to keep that rose gold color over time. As other rose golds tend to fade over time, Rolex decides to color an Rose similar to like an evergreen tree to keep that color over throughout its lifetime. So if you want something to match the luxury of that rose gold, then for diamond hour markers you can also get it in the pink dial, black, silver, white, and of course mother of pearl options are available, either the white or black mother of pearl. Alright, so besides that, we have the typical Datejust architecture, which is the hour markers with the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, date window at the 3 o'clock position with a cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. We have the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath that crown, and for the hands we have 18 karat rose gold hands, and that's solid through. There's no luminosity on this watch. And the hour markers, similar as well, except the Roman numerals are actually, I believe they are outlined in that 18 karat Rose Gold. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. So the bezel, very beautiful bezel that matches with that dial. This is a fluted style bezel, so it's machined with these sort of riveted portions all around that bezel. And as you can see, as I tilt it, the sunburst working its way, beaming light in different directions, and also that fluted bezel doing that same thing. You'll see different contrasting shades of the dark and then also highlights of the rose gold all throughout that bezel, so absolutely eye-catching for the face of the watch. And that's paired very nicely with the high polish on the tops of the lugs and also the bottom of the lugs as well. The high polish all together with the high polish fluted bezel, that sunburst dial, just all works very well together. Now as we move on to the case now, the case is a 31mm case size, as the name states, Rolex Datejust 31. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. Nice high polish on the side of the case, matching with the high polish on the sides of the bracelet as well. And we can see that the profile of the watch isn't very high at all. Will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. On the other side, same thing, nice high polish. And we have the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself there. We're going to go ahead and move on to the crown now. The crown is a screw down to unlock double waterproofness system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown to open up to the standard position here. In the standard position, you're allowed to wind the watch to get it started from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 clockwise winds is all you need to get the watch going once more. Tugging out the crown very gently to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown. So you can see how easy it is to adjust the date by going counterclockwise. Pulling the crown out to the final position will stop that second 10, as you see there. I'll show you once more. So you see it's moving, and then bam, stops it from moving. And that gives you the ability to set the time exactly down to the exact seconds, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds, while also being able to adjust the hands bidirectionally to set the time however you like. So we'll go ahead and screw this crown nice and tight back in against the case. You always want to do this as you want to keep your Rolex watch nice and protected, and also keep the water resistance. Specifically for this watch, we're looking at 100 meters or 330 feet. We're going to go ahead and move on to the bracelet now. As you can see, very beautiful bracelet, contrasting of the sand finish of the outer of the 5-piece links on this bracelet. This is a Jubilee style bracelet, which is made up of the 5-piece links. So like I said, the outer of the 5-piece links nicely sand finished, a little bit thicker as well, to contrast the 3-piece links down the center to bring more shine out of it. As you can see, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Nice patterning all the way throughout to the other side of the bracelet. A little bit of tapering starting from the beginning of the links downwards to, of course, have that nice overall proportional look to the face of the watch as it goes around your wrist. The clasp is a concealed folding crown clasp, as located here by the Rolex crown logo here in Ever Rose Gold. Opens up to reveal these nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed onto the clasp blade itself there. So that's how the bracelet looks all the way opened up. And then closed up once more. See, nice continuous pattern. The clasp hidden right behind that bracelet. As you can see, of course, curved to fit the underside of the wrist. So beautiful usage of the Ever Rose Gold with stainless steel here from Rolex, as they like to call it, the Rolesor, which is their unison of using either white gold or yellow gold or rose gold in this case with stainless steel on a watch, so a two-tone watch. We're going to go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in its perpetual mechanical self-winding sorry, I apologize. The movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing. It is a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's Rolex's in-house made caliber 2235 movement. Has the precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which they like to boast about here at the 6 o'clock position with their superlative chronometer officially certified, because the watch is within the Swiss specs. The functions of the movement is for the hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and also the stopping in the seconds hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch, you're looking at a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So we'll go ahead and locate that concealed folding crown clasp again by the Rolex crown logo there. Opens up, slides right down, and closes up nicely. As you can see, very beautiful, unique style watch. That two-tone, that Ever Rose Gold and stainless steel working very beautifully together. That front of the dial, very pleasing to the eyes. It captures lots of portions of the light and just makes it a nice little disco on your wrist, and really very pleasing to look at. The nice two-tone working throughout, almost a nice flesh tone as well. You can see the pattern just looks great throughout. You can see the profile on the wrist. It doesn't sit too high. For the sizing, I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can see still a good amount of room there. So this is sized up to a 7.5, which is the standard. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.